Meet the honey badger. This little guy looked at lions, snakes, and common sense and said, nah. Honey badgers regularly attack animals much bigger than themselves. Imagine being 5 feet tall and deciding to fight a pickup truck. That's basically the honey badger's entire personality. It gets stung by bees, bitten by snakes, and somehow keeps coming back for more. But here's the crazy part. Honey badgers have thick skin and a surprising resistance to some snake venom. While they're not invincible, these adaptations help them survive encounters that would seriously injure many other animals. Nature basically built a tiny tank.